Hi guys, welcome back to Technoxity. This is Adnaan Ahmed back with another video. So guys, here today I'm going to show you how you can enable the community tab for your YouTube channel. And first of all, I would like to thank all of you who have subscribed to the channel and make the channel reach 1000 subscribers. And we have surpassed 1000 subscribers, and we have not yet got the community tab as of now. And I don't know why, but we had crossed 1000 subscribers like 3 to 4 days ago. So I just wanted to know why YouTube isn't enabling it on my channel. Then I did some research and I found that a lot of people who have surpassed 1000, and now they are about to reach 2000 subscribers, and the community tab is not yet enabled on their channel. It is just because there are a lot of creators on YouTube nowadays, and even a small kid is trying to make a YouTube channel and trying to play with it. So YouTube is busy with it and is not able to, what do you say, review all the channels and give the community tab. So here let's try contacting YouTube and getting our community tab so that we can connect well with the subscribers. And guys, this is important because we just need to have a community tab even for creators who have 1000 subscribers. It must just be automatic, guys. Well, just once you just reach 1000, you must get a community tab. This process of reviewing will take time. So let's see what we can do. You just have to do two things. You just need to tag YouTube India and YouTube Creators India on Twitter, as well as you can directly contact through the YouTube app itself. And if you do these two things, there are just possibilities, guys. I just can't confirm you that they will surely give you the community tab. So first of all, let's try it. If they enable it on my channel, let's check out what the next step we have to take. So first of all, make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you like this video, guys. And I just want some not some, I want a huge number of subscribers. And now let's continue with the topic, guys. Here we have to just tap on this over here, and over here you can see the help and feedback section. And first you see the subscriber count, it's 1013 on the channel. And going to the help and feedback section, it will open up a new thing here. And describe your issue, send feedback, download your YouTube videos to an SD card, find your way around YouTube, video options on YouTube, how to earn money on YouTube, delete or hide your YouTube channel, browse our articles. And guys, here if your channel is monetized, like for people who have 1000 subscribers, they also have the watch time and I have the channel monetized. But I don't have the watch time here as of now, so I have not monetized my channel. If you have the monetized YouTube channel, then you will directly find a email option above send feedback. You can just contact YouTube through it, or you can just do the way I am doing here. Click on send feedback and go to the legal help page to request content changes for your legal resources. Some account and system info will be sent to Google. We'll use the info that you give us to address technical issues and improve our services subject to our privacy policy and terms of conditions. Highlight and hide content, include screenshot and logs. And guys, here you just need to type in hi YouTube, just a second, yeah, type in, I'll give you the exact format in the description. You can just copy it from there and then just paste it over here and then click go. And once your YouTube reads it, it will try to solve your issue, and it will mostly give you a community tab. And that's how you are going to get your community tab if you have not get, or YouTube will automatically review it because you have already reached 1000 subscribers. You just need to wait for it. And that's it in this video, guys. This is how you can enable the community tab on your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one. Make sure you like the video. Please like the video, guys, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.